Welcome back once again. We're coming to you from Breaksea Boats, and in front of me here is a South Boats Cat. So this is a passenger vessel that we're building at the minute. The hull, deck's all done, hatches are in, most of the composite layup's done, there's a wheelhouse on top there. And now we're moving on to the passenger cabin sides. So we've already done one side, we're now working on the other side here. So just to show you, this is what a finished side looks like. So this is a very heavy layup. We've gone through, we've used core composite board, lots of glass, some ribs. We've got a door to go in here, window, double window, double window, window. This side's empty, and then this is the other side. So this is what it looks like in progress. So we are using armour cell core board. This is a high density board you can use for structure, similar to the Niederplast boards we've used before. Now this one, although it has got hexagons in it, which you can see here for strength, this one's got pinholes in it to allow resin and bonding compound to come through the board and create a tighter structural bond on there. So again, it's lightweight, it won't rot. You can get high density boards which you can drill and tap as well. And we're just going to run through this now. So we've just got this through, we've got to bond these boards in. As you can see, we've got the ribs in here with some initial layup as well. And we are all just sat in a mould made out of melamine and fiberglass board. So because this is a one-off custom build, that's what we're going to be running through. So these boards I wouldn't advise using for transoms, and you can also use this instead of the Niederplast boards for decks and other composite builds. So we've got another 11 layers to go over the top of this as well, because this is going to be a structural wall. There's going to be weight on top as a viewing platform, and therefore we're just going to need to make sure that there's enough strength in this as well. Okay, so as you can see, all the built up layers of fiberglass there, all the core board built into it already. Okay, and then on the outside, because it is melamine, it is a moulded finish, moulded white finish, although is a little bit satin as melamine is, that we're going to have to refinish it anyway. So that's just to give you a bit more of an idea of the boat there. So it's all been, a top ring has been made, and it's actually been fiberglass gel coated and bonded together, so it's now one uniform component. So we've got a lot of progress to make on this boat over the next month. But for those of you that are familiar with the South Boats brand, this is a Mark III version. Okay, so as I say, this is a one-off custom passenger vessel that's being built at the moment.